Hello everyone, I am Pramila. Hope you are doing well. Today we will solve one another Leetcode problem, that is return subfolders from the file system. Let's understand the problem statement. Given a list of folder, return the folders after removing all subfolders in those folders. You may return the answer in any order. If a folder I is located within another folder J, it is called a subfolder of it. A subfolder of folder J must start with folder J followed by a slash. For example, /A/B is a subfolder of /A. But /B is not a subfolder of /A/B/C. I will come to that point. The format of a path is one or more concatenated string of the form slash followed by one or more small case English letter. For example, /Leetcode and /Leetcode/problem are valid paths, while an empty string and only slash are not. That means if we take the first example here, in this first example we can see the path start with /A. Do we have any folders which is start with /A? Yes, the second folder is start with /A. That means that first folder is super. If we consider that super and subfolder, this is the super one, and since it has one more folder which is start with /A, then we can remove this from our list. Let me write it down. /A, we have /A, then /A/B, and then /C. If we have these folder paths, then we have to remove all the paths which is the subfolder. Subfolder means, if we consider this is a folder path, then we will take, is there any, like, this is this folder contains the first path of the folder which is already present. So here we can see /A already present in our list. That means /A/B is the subfolder of /A. We will remove this. But if we consider /C, do we have any folder present in our list which is start with /C? No. Then this is a folder which we can consider. So in our answer we will return /A and /C. This is our problem statement. I think it's clear. I will repeat again. If we consider a folder, then we will check if there are any folder which is start with this folder path. If it start with the current folder path, then we will remove that folder, as this folder is a subfolder of the current considered folder. Again, I will take one more example, that is /C and /CD, and again /BC. Okay, if these all our folder paths, then /A, does it have any folder which is subfolder of /A? Let's see the second one. Second one is start with /C. Second one is start with /C. That means this is the subfolder of /C. We will remove this. Again we will go to next folder path. It start with, though it has /C, but we will check the starting path. It start with /B. That means this is not a subfolder of /C folder. So it is also come in our answer. That means In our answer, we will take /c and /b/c. I think now the problem statement is pretty clear. Now we'll understand how we can come to the solution. What could be the approach? Let's understand the second example, that is /a/b/c/a/b/ca and /a/b/d. So for the first path /a/b/c, we will check, is there any folder which is start with /a? Do we have which only start with /a? Do you have any folder in this example? No, right? Only start with /a. The folder path is /a. If not, then we will check /a/b, this part. Do we have any folder in this list that path is /a/b? Do we have? No, we don't have. Then we will check whole path /a/b/c. In our folder list, do we have any folder path which holds /a/b/c in the prefix positions? That means it will start with /a/b and /c. Only the first one. Other than this, we don't have any path that is start with /a/b/c. That means this is a folder which does not have any subfolder and it does not have any parent folder. So we will consider this. Next, we will go to /a/b and /ca. Again we will check for /a. So does this /a, is there any folder path present in our folder list? No, right? Then again we will go to /a/b. Is it present in our list? Again it's no. Then we will check /abc. Is it present in our list? Other than this, there is no one. So again it comes in our answer. Last we will check /a/b and /d. We will follow the same. We will check, is it that /a, this path, is there any folder present in our folder list which is start with /a? No. We will check the next. We will take the next. Include the next subpath. We can say that /a/b. Is it present in our list? Any folder of this path? No, right? Then we will check for the whole path /a/b/d. We have a single path. There is no other path which is start with /a/b/d. So again it will come in our answer. So our answer will be whole the folder. Now let's understand based on implementation how we can implement this. /b/c/d and /b/c. Okay. If this is a list of folder, then and we will assume that all these are stored in our map. Okay. Now we will check for the first path. We will split it in subpart. One is /a, another one is /a/c, and the last one is /b/c and /d. So one is /b, next one is /b/c, and third one is /b/c/d. Now we will check in our folder, do we have any folder path which on /b? Any folder path on /b? Do we have any folder path /b folder path? No, we don't have. Now We don't have. Then we will check /b/c. Do we have any folder path in our folder on /b/c? Yeah, we can see there is one folder /b/c named folder. That means this /b/c/d, this folder path is the subfolder of /b/c folder. So if this is a subfolder, this will not come in our answer. Only the parent folders or grandparent folders will come. So which does not have any, which does have subfolder, but which folder is not a subfolder of any other folder. Those folder only considered in our answer. So /b/c. Do we have any folder which is makes this folder as subfolder? We don't have, right? So it will come in our answer. But in this folder, if we do have any folder which is /b, if we have /b folder, then this /b/c won't come in our answer, because /b/c, first one is /b subpath and the second is /b/c. So /b path is already present in our folder. That means it is a subfolder of /b. So in our answer, what part only come, what path only come? That /b path. This folder only come. Now I will write the pseudocode. How we will solve it? A/b/c and then /c/d/e and then one another /c/d and a single e. Okay. Now we will understand how we will write the pseudocode. First, what we can do, we will this is a list of folder. So if we want to search each is a path, subpath is present in this folder, then if we iterate through the list, it will take big of n time complexity. But if we store it in map, then what it will do? It will take big of 1 complexity. So first we will store this list in a map like /a. I will take, this is an integer, like it will hold 1 /b/a/b/c, again 1 /c/d/e and so on. Okay, this is our map. We'll add it in our map. Now what we will check? First we will take this path /a and we will split it. How we will split? We will split it in a list. It has only a one, after / there is one path present. So /a will stored in a list. Now we will check in our map. We will check in our map /a is present in our map. Yes, /a is present in our map. Then what we will check, if this is present in our map and if length of this split, if length of this split is equals to the length of this value, if it's present, this value means if length of this split is equals to, so how we will split? Here we are creating the split, but what is our main path? This is our main path, this A. slash A is our main path. So from slash A we create a split. We create a part of this whole path. And how we create the path? If there are a lot of slash, if there are slash A, slash B, then slash C, how we will split it? We will split by slash. And what would be our split parts? Our split parts will be, one is slash A, second one will be slash B, and third one will be slash C. And how we will take a part of it? First we will check for slash A. If slash A present in this map, if slash A, what we were saying here, if slash A is present in this map, then what we will check? Then we will check if this part present in map, then what we will check? We will check the whole path. Whole path is, let's check string st. Whole path, otherwise path. Okay, path is listening good. Then we will check if this path equals to this split. If I take part, if this equals to this, that means this path and this split is exactly same. Then we will take a answer list. We will take an answer list and we will store in answer. We will store it in answer.append this path. Okay. If this part is not present, if this part is not present in our map, or if it's present in our map but its length, slash A's length is not equals to, if it's not equals to the path, this is our path, this is our path, is this slash A is equals to slash A, slash B, slash C? No, this is not. So slash A not equals to slash A, sorry, slash A, this is not equals to slash A, slash B, slash C. That means it come in our answer. But this path already has parent path slash A in our map. That means we will come out from, we will consider this is a subfolder. We won't consider this. Let's take the second example. Slash C, slash D, slash E. Now slash C, slash D and slash E. Now we will check. First, what we will do? We will split this path. So now what would be our path list? Our path list would be slash C, slash D, slash E. Now we will check if slash C is present in our map. In our map means we already created the map. Slash C is present in our map. Slash C is not present in our map. Then what we will do? Then now our subpath, if we take it as subpath is, current subpath is slash C. If this is not present, then we will consider, we will go to the next subpath. So now what would be our next subpath? That is current subpath plus the next one, that means slash C, slash D. Now we will check slash C, slash D, this path is present in our map. Slash C, slash D, yes, this is present because slash C, slash D in our folder. So this is present in our map. Now what we can do, if this path is present in our map, that means this is a subfolder. We will not consider next. We will not consider next paths. We will simply tell that this is a subfolder. Don't consider this. Don't add in answer. Just come out and check for the next folder. Let's consider this folder /c/d. /c/d. /c is present in our map. /c in files. In our map /c present. This is E. This is E. /c not present. /c and d. So /cd is present. /cd is in our map /cd is present because this is present in our file /cd present. So here now I just dotted it /c. So /c/d is present in our map. Now we will check if what is the this is a subpart like /c/d. First we will check for /c, that I already explained. We will check for /c, then we will check for /c and then /d. If this is present in our map, then what we will check? We will check the path of the folder which we will consider first. We will consider this path. So is this one is equals to /c/d? If yes, then we will add in answer. If no, then what we will do? We will simply consider this is a subfolder and we will come out. But this is exactly equal to /c/d, then we will add in our answer. Now we will check /e. So for /e again what we will do? We will split it parts. It has we will create only one split. So we will check if /e present in our map. Yes, this is in folder, that means it's present in our map. Why we create map? Because if we iterate through the folder, this is a list, it will iterate, it will give answer on big of n time complexity, but in map we will get it big of 1. Otherwise there is no other difference in current implementation. So this /e is present in our map, and now what we will check? So which path we were considering, is it equals to this? If yes, then we will add in our answer. I think the solution is the approach is understandable. Now we'll go to the solution. Here what I explained, I did the exactly same. Here I created a map. In this map, but just storing the value of all store path. So in our map we have all the store paths. For our simplification, if we iterate through the list, then time complexity big of 1, but here I will get it in big of 1. Just only for this I used here map. Now what we are doing? We are iterating through the folders, and as I explained, I split it. Here I split it, and now what it's coming here? So I took a folder and I iterate through the parts, and in this part what I am doing, so if I added slash because all parts start with slash, and when I splitting it, then in the list how it is, the list is like, okay, the list is like okay, I will write it down. It's storing in this format. So if this is, if a folder path is /a/b/c, then how it's storing in our parts, then it's storing like a, b, c. That's why here I added folder plus equals to slash and then part. Right now we are iterating through these parts, and then I added slash before that because we just removed slash from here. Okay. Now what we did, we are checking if this folder is present in our map, that I already told. If this present, then we are checking if this folder length and this is the string. If this string length, that means this is the main folder path, is exactly same, then we are adding it in answer. Otherwise we come out from the loop, because this folder, like this subpart, is already present in our folder. That means this string is a subfolder, and at last I am returning the answer. Now I will tell you the time complexity and space complexity. What is our time complexity? Time complexity, this is taking, if we think that folder length is n, and here folder length is n, but folder I dot length is 100. If we consider that this folder length, this is n, and folder I dot length, this is m, then what will happen? Inside this for loop, first it is running through this. That means it takes n time, and part, the maximum length of each folder paths is m. That means our time complexity is big of n into m. This is our time complexity. And what is our space complexity? Here we took a map. So our space complexity is big of n, right? So this is the solution of that problem. Thank you everyone. Keep on learning, keep on growing. Bye. See you in the next video.